We're finally here after getting off an extremely cramped bus.
I have seen photos of Biblioteca Vasconcelos since architecture school and always wondered how I would feel to stand inside of this ginormous vessel with floating bookshelves. Well, all I can say is the photos will never do justice. Mexican architects Alberto Colac and Juan Paloma co-designed this masterpiece as an ark of human knowledge, with materials like steel, concrete, and glass to create massive and inspiring spaces. The scale itself certainly speaks volume to its biblical ambition, and I love even more the balance between the lightness of floating shelves and the all-encompassing volume. It did not make you feel overwhelmed, but empowered to dive in and embrace yourself with the magic world of knowledge.